Hello, it's me Arpita and you are watching Speak English with Arpita. So, I want to tell you guys something that just because the channel name is Speak English with Arpita, it doesn't mean that I can't upload anything except English. Okay. The name of my channel is Speak English with Arpita. That means I would be speaking English in any of my videos, whether it's like vlogging, whether any kind of thing which I'm sharing except English, those videos, the language of my videos would be English only. Okay, so like that also you can learn because I won't be speaking any other language except English. So by watching those videos also you can get to hear from me, and by that you can also understand English and also can learn from it. Because sometimes day-to-day English sentences are also needed. Like the way which I'm speaking right now, it is not necessary that you would be also speaking these sentences with someone, because it's not a daily sentence. So I have decided that instead of making the video all time boring, giving you suggestions and all, like whatever suggestions are needed for improving spoken English without learning grammar, I have already shared like most of the part of in my channel only, like pronunciation, how to improve English naturally, basically all the things I have shared. But there are some of the things like grammar and all, if I start teaching you guys, then it would be endless and you would be boring and you would be quitting to learn that language. So I don't want these things to be happen. I want this channel to be more interesting. How it gonna happen? In this channel I would be posting about English tips and also about some of the things, like very random things I would be telling, but that it should be in English. Of course I won't be speaking in any other language, Bengali, Hindi or anything. So yeah, no need to worry about it. So this thing only I wanted to say. Yeah, now coming to the point, the today's video will be about how to remember vocabulary. Look guys, if you are thinking that you would be referring one dictionary, you would be taking one dictionary and you would be able to learn all the words within 7 days or so. There are many YouTube channels which claims that learn 1000 words within 7 days. It is not possible. When you are not using those words in your day-to-day conversation, your mind would be deleting those words. So don't waste time in watching all those videos. Be practical and no need to learn all the things. Okay, like while speaking in English, we only need 5000 or 10,000 words or so, and that is enough. No need to go for so many words. Why do you learn so many words unnecessarily? Because sometimes I also learn, but it is for fun, like for curiosity. It's not like that I want to learn. It's not like I put any kind of pressure in myself that I have to learn, I have to utilize. Like don't always put must that you have to do it, you have to do. No, normal, the thing which are needed, like basic English, like I speak in front of you, those are very basic English and these are only needed and nothing else actually. So no need to worry about it, no need to go for such channels, and no need to buy any kind of dictionary. In case if you want to learn, then go learn it for fun, as I have said. Okay, so yeah, if you are willing to learn any kind of new vocabulary, so the thing which you can do is, first thing I want to tell you that nothing happens without investing time, without hard work. So if you want to achieve something, if you want to learn something, then you should do hard work. Hard work in the sense, you have to do some of the things which I will be telling you right now. First, pick 5 or 6 words daily which are necessary. Like for example, the words which I am speaking right now, pick those, the word synonyms of it. Right, make a diary or make a copy and pick 5 words and make sentences and use it every day. And also if you teach those words to someone, like to a friend or anyone, then you would be able to learn or remember that word more easily and more quickly also. Because when you teach someone anything, then it is scientifically proven. Even I also tried this thing, that when I learned something, then I taught someone the same thing, then I am able to remember that thing like for a longer period of time. So do it first every day, make sentences with that and find synonyms of it, and also teach someone. And first thing, and the third, actually the most important thing you should do is, you should not pressurize yourself that it is must. You have to learn, you have to do it. Remove that thing that you have to do. It is like just for fun, do it. Learning vocabulary just for fun, do it. But learning English in a simple way, it's enough, absolutely enough. No need to worry about it. No need to make it a big issue. There are many things in our life, those things only make a big part of your life. Like this English is very simple, guys. I don't understand, like the way I'm speaking right now, I'm not translating into my mother tongue, which is Bengali, to English. It's coming naturally. So English should come naturally only. No need to learn grammar and this kind of things. So yeah guys, keep watching my videos or any other videos and don't go for learning grammar and all, because grammar don't teach you to speak English. Grammar teaches you to write English in a formal way, like in letter writing, in essay. Grammar is necessary only for those things, and we write essay, letter, why? For scoring marks only. Therefore grammar is necessary only for scoring marks. So no need to learn that. Okay, just listen and speak. These two things are the necessary thing if you want to improve English. So that's the reason I told you guys that if you like, even if I post something else in my channel, okay, then it should be in English only, of course, because the channel name is Speak English with Arpita. So I would be speaking English. So by that only you can listen to me. There are many good YouTubers, you can listen to them and also read books. I have ordered few of the books, like sale is going on, okay guys, Big Billion Day sale is going on Flipkart. Buy some of the books. I have ordered 3 books. I would be reading that. Again, I would be giving you the review. Even if I like it, if I think that it's worthy for you, it's easy for you guys, then surely I would recommend it, and also I would make a video on that. Until then, the book which I have told you earlier, that Life is a Gift, this book, order it and start reading it, because it's very easy to understand also, and also very inspirational too. Okay guys, that's all I wanted to say, that every day I can't repeat the same thing, guys. Speak. Until and unless if you don't speak, you can't improve spoken English, because spoken English, spoken, okay, spoken comes from the word speak. If you don't speak, then how can you learn spoken English? That is the thing you should understand, okay. Install this into your brain, all right. So yeah, okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye. Again, if I find some of the tips and anything, then again I would be making video. And the thing which I told you about how to remember vocabulary, please do those things. Let me recap. First, pick 5 words like synonyms every day. Start making sentences with them. Teach someone, and don't pressurize yourself that you have to learn. It is very much obvious that you would forget them. Yes, it is obvious. Don't need to feel guilty if you are not able to remember those words. Take it very lightly, okay. Okay guys, bye, take care.